You remain in our hearts, in children's eyes, in songs of hope. Father Francis, now you rest. We carry on your sacred yes. You touched the wounds without fear. You held the lost and wiped their tears. Your quiet strength was loud